Hello guys, today I will tell you on how to maintain a healthy endocrine system, nervous system, and reproductive system. But first, what does these systems do? The endocrine system is made up of all body's different hormones, regulates all biological processes in the body from conception through adulthood and into old age, including the development of the brain and the nervous system, the growth and function of the reproductive system, as well as the metabolism and blood sugar. Next is the nervous system. The nervous system is the major controlling, regulatory, and communicating system in the body. It is the center of all mental activity including thought, learning, and memory, together with the endocrine system. The nervous system is responsible for regulating and maintaining homeostasis. And lastly is the reproductive system. The reproductive system is the tissues, glands, and organs involved in producing offspring. In women, the reproductive system includes the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, the uterus, the cervix, and the vagina. In men, it includes the prostate, the testes, and the penis. Okay, now that we're done there, let's talk about on how to make those systems healthy. Here's 3 tips per system on how to make them healthy. First is the endocrine system. To have a healthy endocrine system, you must eat enough protein at every meal. Consuming adequate amounts of protein is extremely important. Not only does protein provide essential amino acid that your body can't make on its own, but your body also needs it to produce peptide hormones. Your endocrine glands make these hormones from amino acid. Peptide hormones play a crucial role in regulating many physiological processes such as growth, energy, metabolism, appetite, stress, and reproduction. Next is you must lower your sugar intake. Minimizing added sugar intake may be instrumental in optimizing hormone function and avoiding obesity, diabetes, and other diseases. And the last tip for the endocrine system is get consistent and high quality sleep. No matter how nutritious your diet or how consistent your exercise routine, getting enough restorative sleep is crucial for optimal health. Poor sleep is linked to imbalance in many hormones, including insulin, cortisol, leptin, ghrelin, and HGH. Next is the nervous system. You'll need to provide the nerves with the supplies they need to transmit messages. In order for nerves to send electrical impulses, they need certain minerals, proteins, and vitamins. Next is use yoga and stretching to strengthen the nervous system. When a person gets stressed out by work, relationships, or a difficult commute, they produce a worrying amount of the hormone cortisol. When produced constantly, cortisol affects the nervous system to affect a person's reflexes, concentration, and memory. An important part of yoga is breathing exercises and relaxation techniques, which activates the part of the nervous system that is responsible for breathing and heart rate. As a result, a person's cortisol levels decreases. And lastly is pursue well-being to improve the health of the nerves. A person can use exercise to improve the functioning of the nerves that serve the muscles and other peripheral parts of the body. Increasing the activity in the peripheral nervous system strengthens the nerves, in the same way that exercise strengthens the muscles. And the last system is the reproductive system. If you smoke, it will be a good idea to stop, because smoking not only affects the overall health of a person, but it can also affect his or her reproductive health. In most cases, people that have infertility issues, smoking have been seen as one of the most common contributing factors in that. And of course, drinking alcohol. Alcohol abuse can have particularly negative effect on the reproductive system, resulting in infertility, hormonal problems, and various sexual disorders. And the last tip for the reproductive system: if you're a female, drink a lot of water because of the many benefits of staying hydrated during fertility process. Cushions and lubricates all tissues and organs in the body. Facilitates the delivery of hormones throughout the body. It may be helpful with enhancing follicles. Water also helps to provide better production of cervical mucus.